Password managers are amazing. These clever applications make good security easy for you and your team. They generate long random passwords for each bit of software you use, so you're never tempted to reuse a password. Then they remember all these passwords for you and even autofill logins. You only have to remember one thing: your master password. What a relief! Before you pick a password manager for your business, there are 3 things you must make sure it has. First, it must be protected by end-to-end encryption. This means even if your data is intercepted, no one can read it. Next, make sure the manager works across all applications and browsers on all devices. And finally, make sure you retain central control over your business's password manager. If a member of your team leaves, you can immediately remove their access to all your systems at the push of a button. Want to know which password manager we recommend for businesses? Get in touch.